I am on my way to my friend Gautam's wedding. I reached Chennai this morning by the SSBM Chennai Weekly Express. Now I'll be taking the Vijayawada bound Janashadabdi to Nellore. So that was the loco which brought the Janashadabdi to the platform. Dual power loco, so it can be operated both on battery and the OHC power. Last night when I boarded the train at Bangalore, I was shivering.
Bangalore.
That's Bangalore. He was sweating inside the AC waiting hall. That is Chennai. Hello guys, welcome back. So this is a continuation of the previous part where I travelled from Bengaluru to Chennai. I am on my way to my friend Gautam's wedding. It's happening in Nellore. I reached Chennai this morning by the SSBM Chennai Weekly Express, and now I'll be taking the Vijayawada bound Janashadabdi to Nellore. So we just refreshed. There is Avinash and Rahul. This fellow caused a lot of good things today. Breakfast was made 2 by 3 thanks to this guy. Poor Rahul had to share his breakfast with us. We have one surprise waiting in platform 1 for us. That is the loco which brought Janashadabdi to the platform. The shunting loco. I'll just show you in a bit what it is. So that was the loco which brought the Janashadabdi to the platform. It is hybrid, battery powered and
Battery power. Battery power
OHC.
Yeah.
It's a 2-in-1 power loco.
Dual power.
Dual power loco, so it can be operated both on battery and the OHC power. The loco's name is Pasumai. Arakonam Sheds WAG5 23102. So this is the loco that brought our Janashadabdi to the platform. So this is the first loco which has been converted to dual mode shunting. It is operated both in battery and OHC. So there is this option in IRCTC wherein we can put the desired coach number, like if we know the composition of the train and we want the seats in a particular coach, we can request for it. There is one option. நான் கேட்டிருந்தேன் D14ல கொடுக்கலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு. சரி, நான் ஒரு சீட் இருந்துச்சு நான் புக் பண்ணும்போது D14ன்றது லோக்கோ கிட்டக்க. ஸோ எனக்கு வந்துட்டு 400 சீட்டு ஒரு விண்டோ கிடச்சா கூட பரவாயில்ல, D14 எதாவது அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு நான் கேட்டால் 2 சீட்டு ரெண்டுமே எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச 2 and 6 ரெண்டுமே எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச மிடில் சீட்டு தான் D2ல கொடுத்துருக்கான். நீ மிடில் சீட் தான் கொடுக்குறனா அதை D14 கொடுக்குறதுக்கு நான் உனக்கு அப்போ எதுக்கு அந்த ஆப்ஷன் வச்சிருக்கீங்க? இல்லை, நீ கேட்குற ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் இருக்கு, D14ல சீட் அவைலபிளே இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியாதுல்ல. கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும், எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு சீட்டாச்சும் இருக்கும். So ultimately we are traveling in D2, which is quite far from the loco, and right now I am not in a mood to walk all the way and come back. If you guys have seen Chennai Central, platform 1 is not as wide as the other platforms, so the crowd will be heavier. I don't want to walk all the way and come back. This is our train, the Vijayawada bound Janashadabdi. It got LHB recently. It was a very small rake prior to becoming LHB. It was a 8 or 9 coach rake. Now it's, I think, 18 coaches, 14 second seating, 2 chair car and 2 EOG. So that platform 2A has the Shadabdi Express to Coimbatore. That will depart at 7:10. Its departure time is up. It should be leaving any moment now. We will be leaving at 7:25. It's about 2 hours 40 minutes from here to Nellore. Our scheduled arrival time is around 10 a.m. So hopefully it's a good run and hopefully we are not delayed by much. Tonde Arpet's James Bond WDM7 11007 has entered the Shatabdi. The guard has just blown his whistle and it's ready to depart. Brindavan Express on platform number 4 and Coimbatore Shatabdi is departing from platform number 2A. So that is the second locomotive of Arakonam Loco Shed, which was developed by Perambur Loco Works, PLW, Min Kalan. So that is bringing the Santragachi Chennai AC special to the platform. AJJ WAG5 23040. And you can see the beautiful, iconic Chennai Central clock tower in the background. Santragachi Chennai Santragachi AC special being shunted onto platform number 3 at Chennai Central. पूरा खिचड़ी हो गया है. Rajdhani, Duronto, Humsafar. I guess that is the new normal in all the coaching depots across the country. If you have coaches that are fit to run, you put them up in any train possible. Parallel action with the double-decker express. Double-decker express departing Chennai along with the Vijayawada Janashatabdi. Will we be able to catch up with it? That's a pretty short rake. Ours is a pretty long one. Let's see. Oh ho! KJM WAP7 39166. I saw this loco in Bengaluru last night. How did it come to Chennai? Oh, I have no idea. So that's the Bengaluru bound double decker, Chennai Bangalore double decker departing from platform 7, and we are departing from platform 1. You can see Avinash in the other door recording the departure. I think our train hasn't received a clearance to move out, or maybe we are getting a late clearance. The double decker seems to surge ahead. Meanwhile, a 3-phase local is entering Chennai Central. Okay, let's see, we are accelerating. The double decker seems to be running quite slow. So will we be able to move ahead? Alright, my coach is nearing the end of the double decker. So we are accelerating. The Chennai Bengaluru AC double decker. Okay, the double decker also seems to be accelerating, and we are slowing down. In the morning, I wasn't able to show the trip shed in the previous part because it was too dark. Now I wanted to show the trip shed, but this parallel action has held me on this side of the door. You know, you don't get everything in life, but I think whatever happens, happens for a reason, and I'm enjoying this parallel action a lot. There is one train waiting in Basin Bridge. E-Road WAP7 37544. Mangalore Chennai Superfast Express. So that's it. The double decker is still moving on the other side. I can see it. I don't know if you can make it out. You can see it behind the Mangalore Express. So right now the Mangalore Express will block the view, and we will divert towards Gudur, while the double decker will move towards Arakonam. Well, that's an exciting finish. Both trains moved quite together, parallel. That was exciting. Avinash is still recording. Famous quadrant of Basin Bridge. Those two lines go to Rayapuram and onwards to Chennai Beach. You can see two lines on the top, which will be passing under in a few seconds. Those two lines come from Rayapuram, go towards Arakonam, and once we cross that bridge, we will see two more lines joining us, coming from Rayapuram and merging in these lines in which we are traveling, going towards Gudur. And on the other side, the double decker which you just saw, that will be taking that arm of the quadrant towards Arakonam. There is one more bypass line which will be coming from Vyasarpadi, that is from the Arakonam lines, towards Rayapuram. Those are used by the trains which bypass Chennai Central. And the lines which you just saw going above are the ones which are used by the trains going from Chennai Beach towards Arakonam, like you have the Chengalpattu Kachiguda Express, and locals coming from beach towards Arakonam, and other such trains which need to go from Chennai Beach side, Rayapuram side towards Arakonam. They take those lines which just passed above us. So these are the lines that are coming from Rayapuram, and they merge with the northbound lines over here. The station which we are approaching is Kurukpete. Kurukpete is the location from which trains towards beach diverge from the Chennai Central bound lines. You can see a local train coming. This is headed towards Chennai Central. You can see some waterlogging still on the tracks. I don't know if it's visible. This is Kondayarpet. There is a diesel loco shed here. Some water logging is still there on the tracks, the other side, the 4th and 5th lines. So That is the after effect of the heavy rains that lashed Chennai over the last few days. Thankfully, it is quite sunny today. This is a massive yard, Tondayarpet. This freight yard, coaching yard, it's quite huge. I don't know if you can see it, the waterlogging is still there in the yards. This is the after effect of the rains that affected Chennai and also the regions surrounding this. A lot of train operations were hindered over the last few days. Okay, I think we have a danger signal. That's Avinam is there waving. क्या कर रहा हो आप? आ जाना इस तरफ, आ जाना इस तरफ. वहाँ क्या कर रहा हो? इस तरफ आ जाओ. वहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? मैं जब आया था यहाँ पे डर डर के आया था. ये शेड्स भी मैं ऐसे ही लेके आया कि धूप होगी, दर्द होगा आंखों में, सोचा कि ऐसे ही रख लूँ, क्या फ़ायदा होगा. इतनी पिछले आज का प्रेडिक्शन क्या था पता है वेदर का? चेन्नई में आज का प्रेडिक्शन थंडरस्टॉर्म. ये थंडरस्टॉर्म हो रहा है यहाँ पे. इतनी तो धूप हो रही है. मतलब अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ.
गर्मी भी है.
मतलब इट्स नॉट एग्जैक्टली कोल्ड राइट नाउ. लास्ट night when I boarded the train at Bangalore, I was shivering.
That's Bangalore.
That's Bangalore. He was sweating inside the AC waiting hall. That is Chennai. These shades too I kept just as a precautionary measure. I usually get a headache and a little bit of ache around my eyes if I don't wear shades in the sun. In the hot sun, if I don't wear, I get a eye ache. So I kept it just as a precautionary measure because the weather prediction for Chennai was thunderstorms. It was raining over the last few days. Marina में पूरा रेत दब गया नीचे. वहाँ तक जहाँ पे कार पार्किंग होती है वहाँ तक पानी आ गया. दिख नहीं रहा था वहाँ पे. सारी दुकानें सब बंद. So I was in two minds whether this trip will happen. I was thinking what is going to happen if the trains get delayed, etc. Or worse, we come to Chennai and the train gets cancelled. We had all sorts of things, permutations, combinations happening. You can see a bleed blue KJM WDG4 there. 12021. 26 12026. It is booked to
DLS GOC.
It is booked. Are
DLS GOC it is written.
It is written DSL GOC. Maybe it's going for conversion के लिए जा रहा है क्या?
No. हो सकता है क्योंकि बहुत दिन से बंद पड़ा दिख रहा है ऐसा लग रहा है.
It looks like it's been rusting here for quite some time. So that's a surprise spotting. Spotted a bleed blue WG4 here in Tondayarpet yard of all the places. So that's the story of it. We were thinking about, I don't know what all combinations. Finally, due to my personal commitments, I wanted to travel this morning. But luckily, yeah, क्लास कैंसिल हो गया आज का. वो लोग कल रात को वापस देर से आए तो अटेंडेंस ठीक है मेरा. Mainly I attend a martial arts class. My attendance is quite low, because of which I wanted to start this morning after finishing my class. But due to some commitments they had, our teachers, they cancelled the class today. So luckily, escape.
Early escape. Yeah.
वो भी कब पता चला? कल रात को पता चला मेरे को. I wonder if these parcel specials will have destination boards. SW or EOG. TKD WG9 31611. Road Web 7 37494. I think that is the Jaipur Chennai. Today is Sunday, so yeah, Jaipur Chennai with E Road Web 7 37494. Tada, our first station after entering Andhra Pradesh. The last station in Tamil Nadu was Arambakam, after which we crossed the border. This train doesn't have any official halt in Tamil Nadu except for Chennai. और ये सारे नॉर्थ बाउंड ट्रेन में यही केस है, चेन्नई सेंट्रल से लास्ट वही है, एक कुछ एक्सेप्ट फॉर अ फ्यू मेमू ट्रेन एंड DMU ट्रेन. No other express train coming this side has any halt within Tamil Nadu because of the geographical location of Chennai. If they are coming from the south, like Tamil Nadu Sampark Kranti, Tirukural Expresses come from Madurai and Kanyakumari, so those trains have a lot of halts in Tamil Nadu. Those which are starting from Chennai, they don't have any other halt within Tamil Nadu. The first halt will either be Sulurpeta or Gudur, which is in Andhra. Approaching our first halt, Sulurpeta. While most of the locals in the northbound line, Chennai suburban locals, terminate at Gummadiponti, some local trains come up to Sulurpeta as well. I'll show you one which is standing on platform number 3. So that is a Chennai Central bound local train waiting to depart from platform number 3 of Sulurpeta, while my Janashatabdi is arriving on platform number 1. We arrived right time. Climate has changed so rapidly. Just about half an hour ago we were in Tamil Nadu and it was sunny and hot. Now at 9 o'clock we reached Naidupeta. It's raining. I think we are marginally late. That's fine, we'll cover up. From here it's a non-stop run to Gudu. So hopefully we should make up time. That was a short halt. We hardly stopped for a minute, I think. Right outside Gudur junction. When we pass that board, I'll show you. This marks the end of the limit of Southern Railways on this line. After this, South Central Railways, or I think it is the South Coast Railways right now, I'm not sure. That will start. We have arrived before time. Our entry into Gudur junction schedule arrival time is 9:33. It's just 9:20 now. So if we are received early, then we'll have to wait on the platform, which would have been better. We could have gotten something to eat. I guess the platforms are busy, for which we have been held at the outer. So this will be our third halt in Andhra Pradesh, and our penultimate halt for our journey, myself and Avinash. The next halt is Nellore, where we'll be getting down. Our friends Prithvi, Abdul, Nikhil, they are coming from the other side. They are on board the Pinakini Express. So I think we got the starter to enter Gudur. Yes, we did. This Gudur junction is called a junction because it is a meeting point of lines coming from three places. The line that comes from Vijayawada, the line that comes from Chennai, and the line that comes from Tirupati. All three converge here at Gudur, and hence it is a junction station. Literally the acceleration of VAP7 is unbelievable. We were just standing over there and now we are accelerating. Means you can feel the speed, I think, in the video. Okay, it is still marked South Central Railways. Welcome to South Central Railway Vijayawada Division, Gudur Cheru, a small lake. So we will be entering Gudur Junction, and the lines coming from Tirupati are on the other side. I'll just show in a minute. Those are the lines coming from Tirupati, Renigunta. Trains coming from Bangalore which do not touch Chennai come from this line. And there is some train waiting over there on the platform, heading towards Tirupati, I guess, or it's, let's see what it is. LGD WP7 30307 with Simhapuri Express, Sikandrabad Gudur Simhapuri Express. And we have arrived Gudur Junction at 9:29, 4 minutes before time. Simhapuri Express, Vijayawada Jansadabdi, Avinash Patil, Samosa. This is our pseudo breakfast here in Gudur Junction. So let's enjoy some Vedi samosas.
Is it normal samosa or
खा के देखो,
onion samosa?
खा के देखो. Onion है ना? Onion samosa. So we are leaving from Gudur Junction. From here it will be a non-stop run to Nellore. I'll be standing at the door the entire journey. One important crossing is coming up. The Tirupati bound double-decker from Visakhapatnam. India's only overnight double-decker train. So I don't want to miss that crossing. So I'll be standing here at the door. And the platform will also come on this side only at Nellore. So let's enjoy the run up to Nellore. Raining quite well. Just a few minutes ago when we were in Gudur Junction, it was just cloudy. It started drizzling just as we departed Gudur. not a heavy downpour, but not the kind of rain which you can bear just like that. And you can't stand at the door too in these conditions. India's only overnight double-decker train, Visakhapatnam Tirupati double-decker express, hauled by Lalagoda WAP 730405. Approaching Nellore railway station, our destination for this journey. This Fatso you are saying,
Hi.
he is the
Already
buddy.
हो गया, पेट खराब हो गया.
हो गया? These two have a jinx.
Yes.
Please explain what it is.
Whenever we meet, one of us falls sick.
First time he met me was in hospital when I was admitted.
Second
Then I
time,
met him. He met with an accident.
Third time also he got a fever.
The throat.
Throat and
That's why BRC part is not coming. Stop it by stop it to principal.
So the jinx meets again, and today you are sick.
Wear mask. ಪೇಟ್ ಖರಾಬ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು?
ಇವಾಗ ಮದುವೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅದ.
ಇದು ಇವಾಗ
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಯಾರು ವೆಂಕಯ್ಯ ನಾಯ್ಡು ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್.
Alright, so I think the RF plan is dropped. So if that is the case, I'll end the vlog here. Hope you enjoyed this 2-part journey from Bangalore to Nellore. And our Janasadarthi is leaving to Vijayawada.
Yes.
He beat us by a few minutes. I was expecting a simultaneous arrival.
Pinakini.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚೆ
ಹೌದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ.
ನೆಲ್ಲೂರು ಸೌತ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಪಿನಾಕ್.
So wait. So we were right behind the loco.
Yeah.
And actually our seats were in D10. So by the time we didn't even reach them, the other people who were sitting in our seats, and your train came.
Fantastic. So where are they?
Other-
Fantastic. So I'll end the vlog here. We'll meet up with few more of our buddies. Hope you enjoyed this 2-part journey. And if you like these vlogs, do let me know your opinions in the comments.
Subscribe me, not him.
He has 50,000 subscribers.
really,
Most
even-
of mine are already
I don't
yours.
get views, bro.
That is not my problem, bro.
Thank you, bro. Who's this?
So
Will-
I'll do a proper ending. You get lost.
Okay.
So hope you like this 2-part
Record
journey.
ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
I hope you enjoyed this 2-part journey from Bangalore to Nellore. If you like these vlogs, do let me know. I'll post more vlogs in the future. I'll try to mix them up with journey compilations. And hope you have a great day. Stay tuned, stay subscribed. Bye.